Causal Inference and Discovery in Python by Aleksander Molak is a comprehensive guide to understanding and applying causal inference and discovery techniques in the context of machine learning. The book is designed for data scientists, machine learning practitioners, and researchers who want to explore beyond traditional statistical methods and delve into the world of causality. Key features include Pearlian causal concepts. The book begins by introducing fundamental causal concepts, such as structural causal models, interventions, and counterfactuals, based on Judea Pearl's work. These concepts are crucial for understanding how causality differs from mere correlation and how it can provide more insightful and actionable conclusions from data. Causal effect estimation. Readers are guided through modern causal inference techniques, focusing on estimating both average and heterogeneous treatment effects. This is essential for applications where understanding the impact of an intervention on different subgroups is important. Causal discovery methods. The book also covers traditional and modern methods for causal discovery, which involves identifying causal relationships from observational data. This section is crucial for those interested in understanding the underlying causes in complex systems without relying on pre-existing knowledge. Introduction to causal thinking. The book begins with an explanation of why causal inference is important and, how it contrasts with traditional statistical approaches. It also introduces Pearlian causal concepts, providing a solid theoretical foundation. Practical exercises with Python. Each concept is paired with practical exercises in Python using libraries such as DoWhy, EconML, and PyTorch. These exercises help readers implement the theoretical concepts in real-world scenarios. Causal effect estimation. The book delves into methods for estimating causal effects, including both traditional approaches and modern machine learning techniques. This section is particularly useful for those interested in applying causal methods to observational data. Causal discovery algorithms. This section explores how causes can be inferred from data, comparing various families of causal discovery algorithms. It highlights the challenges and opportunities in this area. Future of causal AI. The final chapter provides a broad outlook on the future of causal AI, discussing current challenges, potential opportunities, and additional resources for further learning. Learning outcomes. By the end of the book, readers will have a solid understanding of causal inference and discovery, equipped with practical skills to build models for causal analysis using Python. The book also emphasizes the social impact of causal inference, encouraging readers to apply these methods for community and societal benefit. Overall, Causal Inference and Discovery in Python is a valuable resource for anyone looking to deepen their understanding of causality in machine learning and apply these concepts to solve complex problems. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.